Hi guys, you can explicitly create multi-line statements. So let's try that. Let's start with D equals 10, E equals 20, F equals 30, so we're going to run this, see what we get. So we get OK. And now the indentation did not affect what we were doing. Now we're going to explicitly use the continuation character. This is the continuation line character. It's a backward slash. So the backward slash will continue to the next line of the statement. And let's run this and see what happens. And we get OK. So we were able to continue the statement into multiple lines, and it ran perfectly. So now we're going to talk about multi-line strings. So we can create multi-line strings by using the triple-delimiters. So C equals, so I'm using 3 quotes. This is a string that runs on multiple lines. Okay, we ran that, and now we're going to print C. So notice that the new line characters, or also so the new lines and the spaces were preserved. That's because it's treating the entire everything, new lines, text, and spaces as part of the string. So let's try running the same thing without the indentations to see what that looks like. Print C. So notice that here we did not have the indentations, and the indentations did not display. So it's very important to be aware of that your formatting is preserved when you're using the triple delimiters. Now let's talk about functions. So we're going to use multi-lines with a function. So we're defining this as cool function, A equals, and then triple quotes, a multi-line string with indents in each line, and then the triple quotes, return A. So we'll run that. And then def well, actually we're doing print cool func run that, and a multi-line string with indents on each line. So it's, as I said, The triple delimiters will preserve the spaces and the indentations. So let's try the next one. This one is slightly different. So define my function. A equals a multi-line string without indents on each line. And return. And then we will print my function. A multi-line string without indents on each line. So very good. Okay, lastly, I want to talk about when we're using the multi-line comments. So there actually are no multi-line comments in Python. We have multi-line strings, but not multi-line comments. These are the multi-line comments, and notice that we have to use the pound symbol, the hashtag symbol for each line. This is a better way to comment than this, because you see programmers doing this, and it's just a little bit harder to read that way. So it's always preferable to use the hashtags and have them line up. So that was a short explanation of multi-line statements and commenting, and thank you very much. I will see you soon.